Hello guys, today we are going to learn the data types of Oracle 10G Express Edition. Before we going to start any kind of language or tools, it is must necessary to familiar with the data types of it. Actually, system only understands 0 or 1. Whatever the given input from any input devices are provided to the system is only considered to be as 0 or 1. So the differentiation is given by the language and its data type which are provided, like A and B. Two characters are there, then there can be some operators which can be applied to it. If there is a numbers given by the system, that can be understood by the language that there can be only mathematical equations, operators applied on it. So there is a capability in form of data types provided by languages to differentiate the given input by the data. So today we are going to consider the data type of Oracle 10G Express Edition. There are basically 4 major data types, which are character, varchar2, number, and date data type. Today we only consider the first 3 data types, that are character, varchar2, and number. First, we consider character data type. The character data type is also called padded characters or fixed length characters. Why it is so called? If we declare any kind of variable with the size like name, character, and size 10, then we can only put 10 characters maximally. If I provide a name called Vinod to it, that includes only 5 characters. It will store 10 characters. How? It will padded the remaining characters by specifying white space in it. So it is called padded character or fixed length character. The maximum we can represent in a character data type is 2000 characters or bytes. This is the maximum limit we can represent if we are going to take character data type in Oracle 10G Express Edition. The second data type is varchar2, or it is also called varchar, but as a programmer we only consider varchar2. It is synonym of varchar. It also takes the size. One more thing I have to discuss about this angular bracket. In first data type character, we put here size in angular bracket. What angular bracket means is that whenever we write this data type for a variable declaration, we write character bracket, and this bracket we include the size. The angular bracket means that this field is a user defined value. That means there can be a size of 5, there can be a size of 3, there can be a size of 10, or whatever a user wants. So we include the user defined values in angular bracket. Now we are moving to varchar2 or varchar size. Its maximum limit or presentation is 4000 characters or bytes. We can express alphanumeric characters if we are using varchar 2. It is non-padded and variable length character of nature. Why it is so called non-padded or variable length character? Because we are taking the same example as we take in the first data type character. Name, I am declaring a variable name with varchar 2 with a size 10, and if we are providing name Vinod to it, it includes only 5 characters, it stores only 5 to its memory. Okay, so it doesn't padded the remaining characters with the space, so it is called non-padded. And variable length means if I'm going to give a name like Saraswati, that includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters. That includes 8 characters. So it will store the size in 8 characters for this kind of value. So the maximum limit is 10 as we declare that variable varchar to 10. But we can whatever is given to that value for any kind of instances like rows or tuples, it will store 5 to Vinod and it will store 8 to Saraswati. So it is called variable length. So my suggestion for the students is that if you are going to design a database, you must have to choose varchar 2 beside the character. Character can only be used where we have to choose 2 or 3 characters only, like gender. We can only take input in a single character like M or F, male or female. So these are the 2 basic data types. Now we are moving to the third one, that is number data type. Also includes the size. Also includes the size. So number is used to represent the whole numbers as well as the floating point numbers. If we are going to use the whole number, we have to use the number with size. The maximum limit we can store in a number data type in Oracle 10G Express Edition is 38 precision. 38 precision means if I am declaring a variable age with the size number 2, I have a 2 place of precision, 1 and 2. That means I can store 00 minimum, either I can store 99 to it as maximum. So the value is minimum 2, we can store 100 total numbers starting from 0 to 99. So maximum we can give the size as 38 precision. If we are going to store floating point numbers like 2000 rupees and 85 paisa, we have precision that is 6 digits in there, 2, 0, 0, 0 and 8 and 5. There are 6 numbers digits, that means precision is 6. and after the decimal point there are two digits like 8 and 5, so the scale is 2. So we have to give a number in form of precision and scale. So we use age number 6 comma 2, and that means we can minimally store the value like 000, that means we can store maximally 9999.99. That's all. That means maximally we can represent 1 followed by 38 digits in the scale and in the number data type. That's all for this class. We will consider the date data type in upcoming lectures. I hope you like this kind of explanation with the Oracle 10G Express edition, and you enjoyed that class a lot. Thank you, all of you.